Hi, boys and girls. We are going to review this math page. I know we kind of did it once at school. It's been so long that I want to look at it one more time and just talk about a bunch of number sentences that we can see just by looking at the page in front of us here. When we look at the page, we see all kinds of number stories. We could talk about many different things are going on in this page. For instance, when we look at all the children that are together, we see that there are 1, 2, 3 children all together. So I'm going to write the 3 over here. And we see that of these 3 children, 2 of them are running away. So if we take away, so let me put my minus sign, take away 2, that means that there is only 1 child that is behind. So now we have 3 children, 2 went away, and only 1 is still sitting in the picture. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. Then if we look at the apples, I'm going to do a counting technique where we mark through them so we know that we've counted them all. So to count the apples, we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 apples total. Okay. And when you look at the 6 apples, I see 1 has fallen out of the tree. So 1, take away 1, 6 minus 1. And now I want to know how many apples are still left in the tree. So we go back and we look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 5 apples are still in the tree. I have 6. Take away 1. I know I have 5 left. And then if we look here at the bananas, let's do another different way to count. I can count by 2s. We have 2 bananas here. And I can circle 2 more bananas. So I know that 2 and 2 make 4. And we have 1 more. So that makes 5 bananas altogether. So there's 5 bananas altogether. And then when we look closely at the bananas, I see that there are 3 that have been eaten. So 5, take away 3, equals, how many bananas that weren't eaten? Let's count them. 1, 2. So 5, take away 3, equals 2. I have 2 left. Perfect. Now let's look at the bowls. Let's call this mushroom soup because they're all on a mushroom, it looks like. And 2 bowls accidentally fell off. So let's count. Again, we could count the bowls by 2s. We have 2 bowls here on top. We have 2 bowls on the bottom. And we know that 2 and 2 more together make 4. 4 bowls all together. That's subitizing. You guys know how to subitize. We've done that a lot. So 4 bowls are all together. But 2 of our bowls fell to the ground. So 4, take away 2, equals, let's see, we have 4 bowls, 2 fell down. How many are still on the mushroom? 2 are still on the mushroom. So 4, take away 2, equals 2. And let's do the spiders. Let's count all the spiders. Now the spiders, When I look closely, I see a bunch on the ground, but yet I still see some in the tree as well. So let's count all these spiders and let's do the mark through to figure out how many spiders. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 spiders all together. Wow, that's a lot of spiders. So 8 spiders are all together. And we see that we have 3 are still in the tree. So if we take away 3 of them that are in the tree, how many are on the ground? Let's see. So 8, take away 3. You can do a couple different ways. You can subtrate like we've done before. We know if we look at this group and this group, that's a pretty easy number. If you subtrate, we know putting those all together would make 5 total. Also, if you put up 8 fingers and take 3 of them away, because 8 take away 3 equals 5. So we have 5 spiders on the ground. Okay, so this was our math lesson for subtraction. And in your packet from the district, you have a worksheet to work on as well. Don't forget that that's subtraction now, and I'm excited to be working with you guys virtually on subtraction from home. Thanks so much. Bye. And Mrs. Shipman is still trying to figure out how to stop these. There we go.